Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your Vue.js project using GitHub Pages for free. So to deploy for free, you have to go to the GitHub at first, so github.com, and we have to log into your GitHub account. Currently, I'm logged in. And after that, if you click here in the profile button, here you will find option called repositories. So click here repositories, and it will actually take you to the repositories. And here you will find an option called new. So click here new. Just name it, and we'll say here test Vue. I will say here test my Vue. Okay. With GitHub. And here you can see this is available. So we'll drag a little bit down, and here you will find option called public and private. Here this is choose visibility mainly. So here we will find an option called choose visibility. Click here public. By default, it should be public. If it is not, then select public and then click here create repository. We have now successfully created this repository. Now we have to upload the file, but before that, we have to actually go to the file directory, my Vue project. Okay. So inside it, you will not find this dist folder. So let me delete this dist folder once again, and you will find something like this. Now here you have to have this dist folder. So how to find dist folder? We have to just click here in the address bar and type here cmd, and here you have to say npm run build. So now here we should have dist folder. Here you can see now we got this dist folder. Yeah, right. Now we have to upload all the files in the dist folder. In this repository. Okay, here. Now let's go back to the project directory. Main directory, and here you will find a file called white.config.js. So open the file with notepad, and here we have option called plugins. Here you can see now after comma we will go to the new line by pressing enter, and here we will add this line that is called base, and here we have to give our repository. Here you can see this is the repository URL. Here you can see you have here origin, git remote, and add review. Okay, and here we have this. So what I'm going to do is we have to actually add it. Now after ti and v9 on, we have to actually add this slash our repository name. Okay, without .git. So we'll copy it and let's go and add it in the base one. After that, we have to use a comma, okay, and save the file. Now once again, we will go to the project directory, and here we will actually say here cmd, the one from, and here we will actually once again say npm run build. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, done. Now what I can do is we can actually upload all the file here. So click here upload an existing file, and here we have to upload all the file. So let's go to the dist folder. Here you can see we have a folder called dist. So go inside it and select all of them and drag and drop them here. And all the upload is done. Now we'll click here commit changes. So you can see processing your files. Alright, done. Now we'll go for the settings option. Here you can see settings. And here if we scroll a little bit down in the left side, we'll find pages. So click here pages. And here we have option here called deploy from branch. So by default it will be selected, so keep as it is. Now click here none and select main and select root. Okay, and then save it. Here you go. Now we have to wait for sometimes, or maybe if you want to see all the actions, you can actually click here actions, and here you can see page build and deployment. So it's working in progress. Here you can see when it will be done, there will be a green tick mark. So we have to wait for sometimes. Here we go. Now we got this tick mark. Here you can see. Now we have to click here. And here we have deploy our project. Now if we click in the project, here you can see this is our project.